now. Today we have planned, we're off to a blue lagoon. So yesterday we tried finding like a company or a tour guide or something like that to go with us, but they was doing like 5 separate things. They was doing zip lining, which we've already done. They was doing like kayaking, we've already done. They was doing loads of things that we'd already done, and out of the deal we only wanted to do like 2 things. So we decided upon ourselves to save ourselves some money and do it ourselves. So today we're going to go rent a bike from our hotel, which is £6, and then I think there's a toll bridge and an entrance fee, which is about 10,000 kip, which is pennies when we get there. So altogether today's trip should only cost about £12. It's all about saving money, and we're starting now.
Oh Jesus.
Damage to speed. We lie here naked. Yeah, you worry about me. Forget about the lies. Forget about the lies. They're keeping you in hiding. Come and be alive.
We have arrived in absolute paradise. Just when you think you've had paradise, you stumble across something else like this and it's just incredible. Zip line, there's rafts, kayaks. We are going to have so much fun here. Good thing I brought my GoPro as well. And there's so many fish in here as well, and apparently they didn't nibble you, so that's going to freak Boo out like crazy. Oh my god. Apparently in the rainy season this turns into like a murky brown, but luckily we haven't got to the rainy season just yet, so it's still beautifully in turquoise. Just keep getting lucky on these trips. Switch it to GoPro. It's now, what time?
12, I think.
12 o'clock. I've been non-stop jumping, non-stop diving, non-stop swimming. So I want to make the most of this place. In fact, today we've only spent £8 when we was going to have to pay £40 each if we went on a tour. Alright, we'd have done more with a tour, but we wanted to spend most of our time here, and we have.
Restricted to how long we can spend.
Because I could literally spend my whole life here, it's that cool. Literally a playground just for me.
Amazing.
Literally everything I want.
Beautiful as well. There's mountains behind us.
Might even have a beer.
Okay, so all the water sports has got us hungry. We're going to share some barbecue chicken skewers, and we're going to have a beer as well. Might have an ice cream afterwards, it depends.
Honestly, it's moments like this where you just need to take a second, find yourself, and just take it all in. Because, alright, you've got cameras to look back on, but the way you really remember it is through your own eyes, and it's just good to just look back and just visualize it for yourself. It's absolutely incredible, isn't it? It's getting a little bit more busy now, but everyone here is just having so much fun. Like the Koreans, the other Asians, everyone's just having a great laugh.
There's some French people.
French, everyone's here, everyone's just getting on, everyone's laughing at each other when they fall in the water and stuff like that. It's really good vibes.
Actually went to the toilet for 2 seconds and Mitch is back in the water. He's loving it. He's like a little kid at school, like loving life. He thinks he's Tarzan, look.
그거 하면 이제 내려줄 거예요.
Literally, I came back from the toilet and he was there on a rope, ready to swing.
넓진 않을 거예요.
I don't know if he's contemplating jumping in or not, or... Jump! He just bloody loves it. He's a right water baby. I'm still here with my beer. Wowza. I feel like I could literally drop Mitch off here for the day and then pick him up at like night time and he'd still be in the water, loving life. Like, it might be a little day crash for him when I get fed up with him.
빠지면 안 돼요, 형님?
I'm in now.
I think I got that. Boo! I heard my lady wanted a lift. Hold on. laughing nicely, do you?
We're sinking! Just what? What are you doing? I think this is a broken canoe, it's sinking. Oh my god, okay. If we don't sink by the time. Here you go then. I think it might be my fat ass. Oh, what seems to be my end?
Don't rock the other way.
Boat's definitely broken. Oh, so funny. This whole thing, apparently I'm a large in life jackets. This definitely doesn't fit me. Just for the record.
We've been here well over 6 hours now, and it's only just started raining, so we've been lucky. We had it when it was out to ourselves, we've had it when it was full, because it's busy now.
Probably best day so far though.
Oh yeah, this is the best time I've had
Amazing.
since being here, 100%.
We also just nearly had another dilemma.
Yeah, we won't talk about that. Wait for this rain to pass and then head back, but it's been an absolutely incredible day. I'd even come back again tomorrow.
You spend your bloody life here.
So, amazing time there. We came back, chilled out a bit. I clearly caught the sun like an absolute
Let me show you back.
mudder.
Oh. Why you gonna just let me do it?
Little skinny boy, white boy. Ooh, ah. So yeah, came back. I look extremely red, like a lobster. We're gonna go get some food now from a place called Earth, which is made out of completely recycled furniture. I hope it's not recycled food, because that would be pretty weird. But we're gonna go there, maybe have some cocktails, glass of wine.
I love a glass of wine.
I think I like a glass of wine. And then, yeah, we'll take you with us. Just this once. So we found the place and
Chicken nuggets.
So we found the place and we wasn't really expecting views like this. I'll show you behind me first. Cool little, oh god. Cool little vibe. Everything's chilled out in there, people playing cards, and then outside is just the most amazing views you've ever seen.
Bye.